Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Craft. Before we start with today's video on Christmas themed craft, I just want to remind everyone that I planned a giveaway in my previous video. If you want to know more about the giveaway, then you will need to check out my last video on DIY Lightbox. I'll also be posting the details on my Instagram channel. So coming on to today's video, today we are going to be deviating slightly from my regular videos. Today we are going to make something out of foam sheets rather than paper. What we are planning to do is that we are planning to create a Christmas decoration, the favorite one, Santa Claus. I'll be using the Fiskars knife to do the entire cutting, and I'm using 2 mm thick foam sheets. You can use a thicker sheet also if you have it. The second thing that you would require is to have a template of the Santa Claus that you want to cut out. So I have downloaded this very simple template from the internet. It just requires 3 or 4 colors and not more. So I'll be using this template to cut out the different layers and then stick them on top of each other. So the first step is to choose the foam sheet that will be the base layer. Since most of my Santa is red, so I have chosen the red foam sheet as my base layer. I'll be sticking the other cutouts from different foam sheets on top of this red layer. So once you have chosen your base layer, put your template on top of the foam sheet, and then to keep it in place, use paper clips. For cutting the foam sheet, use a completely fresh blade. Do not use an used blade, otherwise it will get stuck in the foam sheet while you are cutting. So for the first layer, we are simply cutting the outline of this entire template. Once you have cut, carefully remove the outline from the foam sheet. This will become your first layer, and you will be adding other layers or the other colored foam sheet on top of this red layer. Since majority of our template consisted of red, so hence we used red as the first layer. After removing the cutout, if you see any imperfections, then you can correct it using your paper cutting blade. Now it's time for layer number 2, which is the face. For face, I am using light pink color. Just like before, secure the template and the foam sheet together with the help of paper clip. For the face area, I'll just not be cutting out the visible face area because it is a layered art. Since on top of face, I have to build the beard also. So I'll be removing the rim of the hat along with the beard as the entire face area. Once I have that as a second layer, on top of my pink layer, when I'll be putting the white foam sheet for the beard and the hat trim, at that point in time, I'll be removing the area of the face, and this will make the face visible through the beard. The third layer is the white layer, which will consist of all the white portions on the dress of the Santa, the beard of the Santa, and on the face area we'll be removing the pink portion, which will be visible by the layer below the white layer. I accidentally forgot to cut the nose for the Santa, so here I am doing it again on the pink layer. And the last layer is the black layer, which I'll be using for the belt of the Santa and the shoes of the Santa. I'll also be cutting out 2 small circles to represent as eyes of the Santa. As a last minute addition, I thought that I will use a yellow foam sheet to make the belt buckle because it will look good in contrast against the black belt. So here I am cutting out a buckle for the belt on a yellow foam sheet. And And here we are with all the parts cut out from the different colored foam sheets. Now it's time to stick them together. My initial idea was to use a glue gun, but the problem with glue gun is that it creates an additional thickness between the two layers, which I did not want. So I have decided to use regular Fevicol. If you give it enough time to dry out, a regular Fevicol will also stick the foam sheets as effectively as the glue gun. So the assembly of this Santa is just like any regular layered paper art, where you stack one layer on top of each other with the help of glue in between. So what we are doing right now is we are sticking the second foam sheet on top of the first base layer, which is the red layer. So this second layer of pink foam will form the face. Now on top of that we are going to stick the white layer, which will form the beard and the rim of the hat. Then we'll stick the other white layer on different parts of the dresses. Then we'll move on to the black layer, and finally we will move on to the yellow belt buckle. This is actually a very easy DIY idea for Christmas decoration. If you go to shop to buy something similar, you'll have to spend a lot of money and bucks for it. But if you make it on your own, you can get it done with less than 1/10 of the price. And with that last piece of foam, our Santa is ready now. Now there are different ways in which you can use this Santa for Christmas decoration. The first and the easiest way is to stick a thread on top of the hat, and then you can use it as a Christmas ornament in your Christmas tree. The second idea is to use it as a fridge magnet by attaching a magnet at the back of the Santa. And lastly, if you can make a slightly bigger version of it, then you can use it as a door decoration or wall decoration also. I hope you guys have fun making this cute little Santa. Also, do not forget to check out my previous video for the giveaway. If you guys like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care and bye bye.